Hello YouTube Technical Mac here. In this video I'm going to discuss with you about variables in Python. So for understanding this, let us create our updated version of our search engine program which will easily open whatever user search. So let's create it. So here I am in my PC. First go to the description of this video and open the link which I have given, and when you open the link it looks like this. It is a link of learnpython.org. Now scroll down and here you will get some code. So copy the code by Ctrl+C and paste it in your Python program. So open the idle, go to new file and paste it. So I will paste it with Ctrl+V and run module, and it will ask for saving. So give the file name and browse the file and add .py extension in your file name. So I am giving it variable.py, which is the extension of Python. So let's see what will happen. Here's the code run and here's it print out 7. So here when we look on our code we get something written in 7. So let's change it and type 24 and run module, and it will ask for save. Click on OK. Let's see what happens, and it prints 24. So yeah, here we say that this is a variable which has its value 24, so it prints it out. So let's do this with our program. So first go to the idle and open your web browser program which we have previously created. Now add a variable of any name. So I am giving it user underscore website. You can give it another also. Now add equals raw input, or give input if your computer does not works with raw input. So give raw input and bracket, and under bracket write, give two inverted commas, and between these two write whatever result which you want to get from the user. So here we are writing please give URL because we want URL in this program. So after giving this, erase the URL which we have previously given in webbrowser.op function, and instead of URL give the variable name. I am giving user underscore website, and now let's run the program. So click on run, it will ask for saving, give the file name, browse the file and add .py extension too. So let's give this URL in the answer here and press enter. Let's see what happens. It will open the website or not, and wait for 2 seconds. Yes, it opens. So here we found that raw input and input is a function, but in some computers raw input will not work, so give input instead of raw input. And by the way, please hit on the like button, share this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.